Harivom children, welcome you all to today's class. This is 6th standard English. In this class, you are going to learn a poem. The poem's name is Beauty. Let's go to the class with a short motivational story. 3 kernels of corn. Once 3 young men were given 3 kernels of corn each by a sage. The sage advised them, go into the world and use them in a proper way. The first man, he utilized the corns in his soup and he ate them up. But the second man, he planted the corns. So he got 3 stalks of corn. He collected the seeds and boiled them and have soups. But the third man, he also planted the 3 kernels, but he utilized the first stalk for the next agricultural process, but the second one he offered for the maiden who helped him in the field, and the third one he made soup and enjoyed it. He utilized the first one for the next agricultural process. There were hundreds of seeds in it. The hundreds of seeds given hundreds of stalks again. That 100 developed into 1,000. And he became a great agriculturalist. Hope you understand. This is story, children. Let's move to the class. The poetry Beauty was written by E.A. Shrew. E.A. Shrew, her name is Louise Abeyta Chuvie. She is a Native American writer and poet and also a teacher. She was born in 1926. She is also known as E.A. Shrew. She had a long career in teaching. She was a teacher. Louise Abeyta died in July 2014. This is a story about the author, children. Let us move to the poem. I will read the poem first. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Let us move with the first stanza of the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. In this stanza, the poet expresses her feeling about the beauty which is admiring during the daytime with the help of the sunlight. We are seeing the beauty of our motherland, Mother Earth, with the help of the sunlight during daytime. We are seeing trees, birds, and fields with crops and people who are working and dancing for their harvesting, who are working, who are putting their hard effort for the harvest. Okay, let us move to the second stanza. Beauty is heard in the night. During daytime we are seeing the beauty, but during the night time we are hearing the beauty of the nature. Wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in the earnest. Earnest means interest. We can hear the beauty in the way of sighing wind and rain falling sound, and singers. Some singers enjoy to sing during night hours. So these are all the sounds which can be heard during night hours. Let us move to the third stanza. Beauty is in yourself. Not only beauty is seen only the daytime or the night time, it is within yourself also. Good deeds, happy thoughts. The activity, the good activity, the positive activities are known as beauty. They are described as beauty by the author. Happy thoughts, not only the deeds, the happy thoughts also considered as beauty, that repeat themselves in your dreams. If you follow them, this will become your habit. If you follow doing good deeds and having good thoughts in your mind, that will become your manner. Hope you understand, children. Let's have a question. List out the beauty which you find within yourself. Everyone has beauty within ourselves. Try to find out the beauty which present in yourself. Hope you understand. Thank you, children.